Hi guys, welcome to our channel. It's been a while since I last done a Lego model build, and this one is what I got for Christmas this year. It's the Lego Technic Liebherr excavator, the R9 model, and this is Lego model 42100. It's got a big box, quite a heavy box, and it's operated and controlled by an app on your phone. It's got two motors inside it. Yeah, it's really quite challenging to build this one. So let's have a look in the box. Lots of bags. Big box. All the bags are numbered. It tells you what you got to do. So there, there's like a note over. Let's have a look at this one. Only instructions really. Oh, more bags. There. Over 4,100 pieces in this model. Here's the book. It's a big book. Two books. All the stickers. And two books. Book 1, book 2. Blimey. Book 1 is the chassis by the looks of it. And then book 2 there's all the cab and arm. And that's a lot of pages. So a total of nearly 900 pages in total. So this is can be quite a challenge to build. Start sorting out these bags. So I've just laid out all the bags and all the parts out onto the table in order. So you've got the bags all numbered 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then other little bits and bobs. So I think it's going to take a while.
Slow down the clock, when I'm with you.
close up. Got the cab, and a little staircase going down. And you've also got the staircase where it comes down, so you can climb up. So you've got a box on top which gets to the batteries. And this side you've got engine room. So I finally finished building the Liebherr 9800 excavator. What I'm going to do now is put the batteries in and give it a go. So it's got 2 battery packs, 6 batteries in each. So if you lay the excavator over to one side, you need to go underneath and to the bottom. So you've got 1 battery pack goes in here, 1 battery pack goes in here. So they only go one way in, and put the cover on, and the next one in and put the cover on. That's it, and then you can slowly roll it back over, and then on top we've got a green button there and a green button further down, but you can get to that one underneath from underneath with your finger there. What we need to do now is install the app. So you download the app, Control Plus, which is the Lego Technic. Then we choose what vehicle you want to do. Got that one, the dump truck, but we're doing the Liebherr. So click on drive. Comes up the control panel. Then it tells you press the green button on the upper hub, which if you open up the top, there's the green button. Just press it and it'll flash. There you go, it's now connecting. I'll tell you to do the bottom one in a minute. Upper hub is now connected. Now the one on the lower one, we can pick it out underneath, press it, and the light come on and flash. It will connect. So it's connected. It's got sound controls on it as well. There we go. This is your revs and everything. So this one here is your tracks, and then you got your controls. So we'll pick up the arm first. Comes out with a picture of the arm, which arm you're moving. And then so that one does up and down. And then we go left and right. The bucket moves in. And this one, if you go up and down, there's the main arm. It tells you that one there, the boom. And then go left and right. It will go all the way round, around, around. And then you've got 2 buttons here. This is the bucket. So we're right, that one. Open the bucket. And then never unclose the bucket, and again it comes up with a picture of the bucket. Yeah. And then these ones are the tracks. We'll do one at a time. do things all at once, but 3 or 4 things at once if you want. If you want a menu, you've got different things you can do. You've got your volume here. You can do English, different languages, all sorts. Go back. This one here is if it's out of sync, and it tell you if it's out of sync. So then you just reconfigure it. Or don't need to. A map, so you can do little tasks. You can preset different settings as well. But drive, there we go. And you can choose another model. Metric, Imperial. Yeah, so a good Lego build to go with my collection. So I'm going to start building the Caterpillar dozer. That's next. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to subscribe to my channel, click here. If you want to see my last video, click here. Let's have some fun.